Ace Lights here, back at it again.
Hijack my vlog.
Holy shit, this thing full.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm so glad to be back. I haven't vlogged in like over a month and it feels so good to be back. We're gonna do pretty much the usual thing today. We're going out to Ami, we're gonna go check out some cars, and I know there's gonna be runs tonight. There's a nitrous Camaro that's probably down to run me. The only thing is, dude, I cannot find my GoPro. I freaking looked everywhere and I cannot find this freaking GoPro. So I'm gonna have to ride with the passenger to get the footage, and to be honest, the only reason I'm racing is for you guys. So if I don't get it on footage, it's kind of pointless. So even if I lose because of a passenger, we'll be able to tell pretty much by, if I lose by a car, it might be because of the passenger, but we'll see how it goes. And hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you haven't yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, and if you guys will leave a comment, that helps out so much. And if you have any questions as well, feel free to leave it in the comment section below and I'll try to answer it. I usually reply to all of my comments. And thank you guys so much for supporting. I'll see you guys at the meet. So before we go to the meet, I do have to put some gas. I'm gonna go ahead and put some E85 and I'll give you guys some pretty cool B-roll. So I did not make it out to the original meet where it's just gonna be like show cars and stuff, but I was able to make it out to the runs meet, and right now there's a pretty good amount of cars. I'll go ahead and shoot some of the cars so you guys can see the runs. There's a lot of 1,000 horsepower cars and there's a lot of slower.
And with another vlog.
Alright, so shout out to Angel for mimicking me right now.
370Z. It rolls done. You already know I'm on the 75 shot. What's up, guys? Ace Lights here. I should start vlogging, bro.
You should.
What is up, guys? Ace Lights here, back at it again. Today we're with my friend Alex Z with his 370 nitrous here. So we're out here. We got a bunch of cars. What are you running up against right now?
Hopefully running a nitrous Camaro SS.
Oh shit, dude. This is gonna be a fucking blast right there. So what do you got? What do you got exhaust wise, bro? ISR? Tell me.
Full ISR, man.
ISR for the win. You already know.
Hell yeah, you fucking
Hijack my vlog.
Smash a fucking like for fucking Angel.
Yeah, smash the like for this guy right here.
Do you have a fucking YouTube channel yet, bro?
Send a drifting.
Alright.
Yeah, we haven't uploaded anything, so soon.
Everyone, I'll leave the fucking Instagram in the description so you guys can follow it. They post a shitload on Instagram. Hopefully you guys enjoy it.
It looks nice, bro.
Thank you, bro.
It looks nice. I like it. I'm out here vlogging for Alex because he left his camera in the car and I don't know where he's at. Got a whole lineup of cars though. Everyone's about to head out. Got some nice stuff out here, I'm telling you. This is gonna be a good night. Hasn't been this good in a while. The Sport Performance, a bunch of Beamers. Oh, what I see over there? It's like a Camaro on the slick. Where is Alex? That is the real question, guys. Help me find Alex. If you can spot Alex right now, you can spot Alex somewhere around here, hit the like button. I don't know where Alex is. Oh, look, there he is. Now you left me over here with your keys, your car, your camera. I could have been a bad friend. I could have taken all this shit and gapped some bros. Shopping town. We're in Mexico. Holy shit, this thing pulls.
It's not even nice.
Woo! This thing feels good. Give it a little one right here. Nice. ST Geeks in the house. Hella spun. Oh my god. One, two, three. One, two, three. That's sick. Dude, that thing gets sketchy, bro. Holy shit. How'd the car feel, bro?
Felt fucking awesome.
Yeah.
Besides your fucking 200 pounds, but. Oh my god.
What's up, Officer 40 roll?
I wake up, flex, thumb down that check, no drip, this wet.